China's goal is really to try to sidestep a potentially embarrassing investigation into its handling of the virus. And Beijing really was quite nimble at the World Health Assembly this week in accomplishing that goal. They agreed to an investigation, but one that will take place presumably after the pandemic and with parameters that haven't really been defined. So it really allows Beijing to try to tightly manage this process going forward and really avoid the kind of hit to China's influence and reputation that would have come from the kind of direct, independent investigation that the Trump administration was shooting for.
Hmm. Michael, it's interesting, though, because it seems that a day doesn't go by where we hear some sort of renewed tension between U.S. and China, whether it's over the origins of the coronavirus, whether it's over Huawei. It does seem to be getting worse. Last week, President Trump said he wasn't even in a mood to speak to the Chinese president. Yet you think at Eurasia Group that the terms of the trade deal will stay intact. Why are you so confident?
Well, I wouldn't say we're confident. It's our view that both sides have an incentive to keep this phase one deal in place. But I will tell you, it is really difficult. I mean, this is a tough call. As you said, the relationship right now is the worst it's been in decades. And there's a lot of domestic politics involved. This is not just all geopolitical maneuvering. For President Trump, this is really about deflecting criticism of his own handling of the pandemic. And we're 6 months away from the US presidential election, which means the next 6 months are going to be bad. The question is, how bad? Our view is that the two sides have ways of duking it out that doesn't involve trade and tariffs. But I think there is a risk. It's not our base case, but there is a risk that these tensions spill over and end up derailing the phase one deal.